Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have just a little project share for you. I'm carrying on with the cards I've been making from the paper pad Holiday Ballet. That's this here. It's a Craft Smart paper pad, and I've been trying to use up as many of the papers in here. Well, not use them up, but like find ideas to create cards with them in this paper pad. So today I'm going to show you some cards I created using this particular paper here. It's a pink background. It's got white snowflakes on it, Christmas trees, little wreaths, little gifts. It's got the Nutcracker in red here. It's got some ballerinas. It's got some this little girl here. I guess she's a ballerina as well, in the red dress with her little ballet slippers on, and of course the king mouse. So I thought the paper is really cute, so I wanted to come up with some cards for that. So I'll show you what I've done here. So here's the first one. I've used my rectangle die that fits the A2 background cards here. And I cut that out in the blue. It's kind of a soft blue with some snowflake designs that are actually on the paper. And then I used two of my scallop dies and cut out those scallops there with a Nutcracker on the top one there, and there's a Christmas tree and part of the gift and some little greenery, and then the background one is it's got kind of little red vines on it. And so I layered those up, and then I stamped some snowflakes here, different sizes, and I used a circle die cut with the stitching around the edge to cut those out, and I embossed them as well with some silver embossing powder. And then I cut out another scallop die and stamped Merry Christmas on there in black ink, and just added a little stamp with the pine branch on there. So I thought that turned out really cute. And inside I just put just a strip of paper from the pad that had these little gold branches on there. So that's ready to go. So I thought that was really, really nice. And then I did this one here with the little ballet girl in the red dress and the black ballet slippers, and layered that up on the scallop dies again. Added some snowflakes that I had embossed there. I layered this Merry Christmas that I stamped out on the scallop die cut there, and layered that up on the same background as the rectangle die there. And I stamped that in the red ink this time, and then did the snowflakes and the die cuts and embossed again. So that's that one. And then I did one more with the king mouse, and kind of basically the same. The only difference on this one, I guess, being I punched out this circle here with one of my punches, and just added some extra little embellishments on here. I don't know how well you can see them, but just with my paper punch, some little circles there in the kind of candy design, and I just added those on top as well. Yeah, I think that turned out really well. I didn't put anything inside that one. This one I did the same as the other one with the little branch design inside. But I thought those were really cute, so I want to share that today. And then I just wanted to share with you some I was doing some plaid stripe design, so I thought I'd share those today as well. So these ones, I went ahead and just used some of my plaid papers that I had, and I cut them in strips, just like 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. Some might be a bit wider. I didn't really be too specific about that, but just wanted to cut them in strips from different patterns. And this one I did in diagonal stripes on here, and added some 3 layers of scallops on there, and stamped Merry Christmas, and added the green little pine branches on there, and I used the stickle like this to just kind of add some sparkle to the branches and a little bit on there. So I thought that was kind of a fun idea. And then this one I did with the stripes going across like this, or the plaid, sorry, and just kind of left little spaces in between. And I didn't measure. If you wanted to be really specific, you can measure to get it, lined up perfectly. But I thought it was kind of neat to just keep it kind of more random. And then I used 3 layers of the scallop die cuts on there as well, and stamped Merry Christmas, and just added the stickle again to just add a little kind of sparkle on there, and I think they turned out really cute. Inside I just stamped a couple of the little pine branches as well. So I hope that gives you some great ideas and keeps you inspired. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.